our next drink is called English Breakfast. I call it that because it uses orange marmalade and gin, two very English breakfast things. I start with 2 ounces of gin, a good spoonful of the jam. Now, I love using jam in cocktails because it adds sweetness and so much flavor, and it's just easy. It's easier than muddling fruit and doing all that other stuff. I use a tiny bit of simple syrup and about 1/2 ounce, maybe more, of lemon juice. Scrappy's lavender bitters, just a little bit. So this drink, you want to double strain just because it has the chunky jam bits. A little bit of orange zest. This releases all of the oil from the orange. So delicious. And then dump it in. Cheers.